Hello viewers, today I am going to show you some photo editing techniques in Camera Raw filter. So let's get started. For the first, I am going to convert this background layer to smart object. Now we can open the Camera Raw filter. In Camera Raw filter, we are seeing the subject is mostly highlighted. Now we need to decrease the highlights from basic and decrease the highlights. And here we can increase the whites a bit. We can also decrease the exposure here. We can increase the temperature a bit and decrease the tint a bit. From contrast, we can decrease it and give a bit of shadows and reduce the blacks. Here from texture, I am decreasing it and increasing the clarity a bit and dehazing it around +18. And here the vibrance, and we can increase it, and we can decrease the saturation a bit. Now from curve, we can decrease the shadow part and increase the highlight part. And from blue channel, we can give a bit of blue shadow. From details, we can increase the sharpening a bit, and noise reduction will be around 10, and color noise reduction will be around 20. Now here is color mixture. Color mixture is the most important part of color grading, so always be careful on color mixture part. From saturation, I'm increasing the reds and increasing the orange and decreasing the yellow a bit and decreasing the greens also. Here we can increase the aquas and blues a bit. From luminance part, we can increase the orange a bit, not much. We can also increase the reds. Yellows, greens, aquas, blues all will be increased. And from hue part, we can decrease the blues and aquas, and we can increase the greens, and we can decrease the yellows, and we can increase the orange. Now from color grading, we can take a bluish type shadow here. And we can take a yellowish type highlights here. For mid-tone, we can select the teal type color. And from the effects option, we can give a bit of vignette effect here. And from color calibration, we can increase the green primary saturation, and we can decrease the blue primary saturation, and also we can decrease the red primary saturation. Now we are going to take the graduated filter from here and make sure all the values are 0. Now drag the graduated filter from bottom to top like this and decrease the exposure here. Also decrease the highlights, increase shadow a bit, and here we can increase the saturation a bit. So let's check before and after here. This was the before image and this is the after. Let's zoom it. This is much more professional and looking better than before. Hit OK. Let's uncheck the smart filter. This was the initial photo and this is the photo after the editing. I think this is much more improved than before. So this is all about today's tutorial. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and keep liking and commenting to support me. Thank you very much.